Hello, good morning, y'all. I thought I would do a little outfit of the day today because I'm wearing a really cute outfit. So I'm wearing this white top, just like a blouse that I got from Amazon. And I love the sleeves. It reminds me of the one that I just got at Nordstrom that's like a green color, very similar. So love that. I did the front tuck for me because I just feel like it looks a little cuter on my body type, gives me a little more shape. Jeans are from TJ Maxx as always, ignore the Tenco. And then I got these from Amazon as well recently. These are similar to the other ones, but my other ones don't have this like scaling, whatever that's called, like the animal skin appearance. And these are like a beige color. So I still need to get a brown. I just haven't found the ones I want to order yet, but I love that the chain on this one is nice and tiny. I'm obsessed. And then I have these earrings, which I got at a boutique recently, but I did find a similar one on Amazon that I'll link for you because they're not on the boutique's website. So that's a bummer. Initial necklace is also from Amazon. So I can link that for you. But I'm about to run out the door. And I forgot to tell Morgan this morning about the Dossier scents. So I talked about these before. These are affordable perfumes that are inspired by luxury brands. You got the light off. And they have men's. You guys, they have men's. And I meant to tell Morgan about this morning and I forgot. Smells so good. So I got him Woody Ginger. I can't remember what this one's inspired by, but I'll put it right here on the screen. It smells amazing. Everybody loves an affordable scent, especially men. Like Morgan goes into date night mode once he has his cologne on. So I'm really excited for him to try that one. And then today I'm gonna try the Ambery Cherry. I also love their packaging. Like, are you kidding? Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. And that's true. All of their scents smell, in my opinion, identical to the ones that I've used in real life. So like the Gucci Bloom is the Ambery Floral, I think. Something like that. And it smells, identical. Morgan can't tell the difference. It's the exact same. It's really cool. And it's like $39, super affordable, versus the Gucci is like, oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is a Tom Ford. This is inspired by Tom Ford. Gucci is like, $80 to $100. I think $120 for their larger bottle. Okay. Wow. I've never smelled this Tom Ford in real life. This one is inspired by, like I said, the Tom Ford. I can't remember which one it is, but it says the Ambery Cherry. I'm loving. So the notes are cherry, almond, cinnamon. In the middle, there's clove, rose, jasmine, and plum. And then the base notes are Peru balsam and tonka bean and vanilla. You definitely get that vanilla, and it's like a sophisticated vanilla. Ooh, wow. Okay, I'm obsessed. I honestly might like this more than Gucci Bloom, and I've been wearing that perfume for like 5 years. I'm obsessed with it. So this is the one I got. I also love their bottles. So on my tray in my bedroom on the dresser, I just keep them like this so you can't even see. Not that they have ugly labels. These are very cute labels, but you can't even see the label. And like, are you kidding? That's so cute. I love that. Looks really nice on my dresser. And I'm obsessed. So I will link Dossier for you down below. You can also get some money off using this info right here. I'm obsessed, super love them. Also, the shipping was really quick, and they even sent us a little like sample size, which is fun. So highly recommend. And then each one also does come with a little info sheet to tell you a little about it, but you can look at their website and it will tell you which one, which perfume is inspired by what. So if you're already wearing a luxury perfume and you maybe want to try a more inexpensive option that smells exactly the same, you can check out their website. It will tell you all of them. If you're not using a luxury scent, I highly recommend this Ambery Cherry. Smells so nice. It's not too sophisticated. It doesn't smell too mature, but it smells like I'm turning 30. Very nice. It's a beautiful scent. I'm obsessed. And then also the Ambery Floral. Is that what it's called? The one that smells like Gucci Bloom smells exactly the same. So couldn't recommend that one more, but save yourself some money. I'll link Dossier for you down below, and they're sponsoring this video. So thank you to Dossier, and let's roll into this what eat in a day. We're actually headed to Starbucks, and I won't be able to vlog in the car today because I'm taking Morgan's Tahoe because someone at my work is going to switch out his brake pads for him. So I'm driving his truck to work. He took my Jeep to work. We're going to Starbucks, and I'll show you what I order. So today I ordered a venti salted caramel cream cold foam cold brew. It's a mouthful, but it is so delicious. The app says it's 270 calories. I do no vanilla syrup, add 3 pumps of sugar-free syrup. I also add a shot of espresso, and after doing all the calculations, I come up with 225 calories for this venti coffee. Also, let's all just ignore my nails. I'm getting them done shortly. Thank you for your patience. And for lunch, I went to lunch with my dad at Applebee's. I had the side salad with ranch, and then I ordered the 6-ounce sirloin. It comes with mashed potatoes and broccoli, and it was super delicious. All right, y'all, we are keeping it super real tonight. We're both having leftovers. This is some leftover turkey taco meat from Saturday, I think. Friday or Saturday. And then this is leftover shrimp creole, shrimp and sausage creole that Morgan made last night. So he's going to have that with some rice. I'm going to have the turkey taco meat with some rice. And I'm also going to jazz mine up with probably some romaine lettuce, you know, all the different Mexican toppings, salsa, taco sauce, Roma tomatoes probably. And yeah, I'll show you mine when it's done, but this is so good. I'll link our video when we made this. It is such a good recipe. I mean, it's amazing. It's a tomato-based like sauce, Creole, Cajun seasoned, and then you just serve it over rice. It's to die for, so definitely give that one a go if you like. It's a little bit spicy, but you can control the spice yourself. And then I'm just gonna do, you know, taco bowl. All right, y'all, this is my finished dinner. Instead of rice, I ended up doing these little taco boats. How freaking cute are these? I know these have been around a while, but ignore my manicure. I'm obsessed. I think they're so cute. I've bought them before, but I haven't tried them. I don't know, for some reason, maybe I had a salad one time when Morgan was eating these. I don't remember. But 2 tortillas for 160 calories, and they're just little boats. So I filled them up with the taco meat and then added lettuce and tomato. Also topped them with this salsa verde. This just has so much flavor. Zero heat, lots of flavor. Huge fan of that. A little bit of ranch because I'm out of sour cream. And then I'm going to do the Taco Bell hot sauce on the top for a little bit of spice. Ooh, and I'm probably going to add a couple jalapenos, the pickled kind. And that is dinner. So easy. Me and Morgan decided Tuesdays are the days of leftovers because for some reason Tuesdays are worse than Mondays.
Tuesday or Monday is the worst day of the week? No, yeah. It's Tuesday.
Tuesdays.
Everybody's getting back in the swing of things Monday. Mm-hmm. And everybody's heads are in the clouds. Tuesday, they got to catch up.
It just hits you.
Yep,
I agree. So I'm about to go eat this delicious dinner. I think I'm going to have a carbonated water as well. And I'll keep you guys updated when I have something for dessert. Y'all, I stopped at Sprouts to get some of my protein shakes after work, and I saw these little babies at the checkout, so I got one for me and one for Morgan of the Lily's extra dark chocolate, because we were literally talking about dark chocolate yesterday, and Morgan was saying how much he likes it, and we never get it.
No, we don't.
Yeah, so I just thought it would be cute.
They're pretty good. A horrible angle.
It's just good. Dark. I like it.
It is a very dark chocolate. It's good though. I like dark chocolate.
Me too.
Because you can't eat a lot of it.
I like these. They're just 2 little squares in here.
That's about all you need.
It really is.
Because I can legitimately sit down and eat a whole bag of milk chocolate chips.
Literally.
If they were here, I can do that.
We love our milk chocolate chips. Okay, this was a win.